Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister are very well. I come back with another crypto related video. This site is a new mining site. This site is multiple mining site. So if you any method choose, please stay with me and keep watching my video. Before I introduce my YouTube channel name is Crypto and Traveling has a two-part, one part crypto related video uploaded in this and another part travel related video uploaded in this site. If you get any information this related, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notifications very fastly. If you do not joining core mining, please join now. I request to you how to join this site. Go to my playlist and select this core mining registration video. There is a 9 type core related video here. So if you see this video, if you will easily join this site. Core is the leading of the new world. Okay, so Bitcoin is the Bitcoin already reading, but Ethereum also reading. Now core is the leading of the world. So they make prepare to core for leading of cryptocurrencies. So I hope you will joining this site. Only 12 days have your hand, so don't waste this time joining this core mining related. So now I will introduce my Telegram group, which name is BTS Satoshi gift card exchange. If you have a core mining, if you want to increase your mining power, please join my Telegram group. Share your hash card and gift card in my Telegram group and increase your mining power. And other option, you can collect your essential card from my Telegram group. Many of the people day by day will joining my Telegram group. I hope you will joining my Telegram and share your every information and other crypto related information available here. You can easily news from my Telegram group. So I request you please join my Telegram group. আপনারা এখনও যারা টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপে জয়েন করেন তারা অবশ্যই টেলিগ্রামে জয়েন করুন আর আপনাদের কোর মাইনিংয়ে স্পিডটা বাড়ানোর জন্য আপনাদের হ্যাশ কার্ড গিফট কার্ডগুলো শেয়ার করুন ভাই। সময় মাত্র 12 দিন আছে। আর জয়েন না হয়ে থাকলে অবশ্যই আমার ভিডিওগুলো দেখুন কীভাবে জয়েন হতে হয়, দেখে করুন। কোর লিডিং করবে ইনশাল্লাহ, মানে এটা সম্পূর্ণ ক্রিপ্টোকারেন্সির রাজা হিসেবে আসবে। সো এটা ইনশাল্লাহ ভবিষ্যতে আপনারা ইনশাল্লাহ দেখতে পারবেন। তো নাও also this site is Birtis. This site age is only 2 days. Also joining this site few 2 days ago, but I cannot video this because of my mining is do not working, so I cannot make this video. So too late, for I am sorry. This site is paidful site, so which a member prove to you this site is a paid site. So I request you join this site. This site is free mining. Here is a Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Tron, and also you can increase your mining power. Please select this one. Only select. Okay, I also mine in Litecoin. You can choose your any coin. So if you want to deposit this option, you can choose this any method. So go to your deposit option and choose this method. If you Bitcoin this, please click this option. If you want to Litecoin deposit this site, choose this option. Doggy coin also, one doggy minimum. Ethereum also, Bitcoin Cash, Tron 5, yes, and maybe TRC 3 is duty. So this side pay outside. So if you deposit instantly is working. So 1 minute it process time, it automatically mining, hash power mining, and this including which you mining this site. ওকে, আপনারা যে এখানে যদি জয়েন হন তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে ডিপোজিট করেন, তাহলে অটোমেটিকলি এটা মাইনিং হয়ে বা স্পিড বেড়ে যাবে। সো আমি অলরেডি লাইট কয়েন মাইনিং করতেছি, আপনারা আপনাদের মতো ইচ্ছে মতো মাইনিং করেন। এটা 4টা মাইনিং এখানে আছে, আপনার ইচ্ছে একটা মাইনিং করতে পারবেন। সো আপনারা যে কোনো একটা চয়েস করে নেন। ওকে, ইউ ক্যান চয়েস ইউর ও লাইক Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin and Tron. Now how to join this site I also show you, so keep watching this video. When you click my link, come to this option, Birtis, it is home. When you click this link, you get 3% daily profit every second. Bonus 1000 ms power. So it is support mail, qualities also showing a stable work, easy registration, instant payment. They call instant payment, but I cannot withdraw from this site because of I cannot reach this amount. Referral system 10% commission from the contribution of your referral. যদি কেউ ডিপোজিট করে তাহলে আপনি 10% পাবেন, আর আপনার ই থাকবেই। ফর স্টেপ প্রসেস রেজিস্ট্রেশন, লগ ইন অপশন, ডিপোজিট, গেট প্রফিট, সো সাইন আপ অপশন, payout minimum withdraw 0.015 BTC, LTC 0.08, 10 doggy and 10 TRX. So how so 10 TRX হলে আপনি করতে পারবেন। So how to earn from this site, so show you. Now press this option, sign up. আপনারা এখানে sign up বাটনে ক্লিক করুন। Now type your email, password 2 times, okay, and sign up button. So I also fill up this. Alhamdulillah is working. When you come to this site, this automatically Bitcoin mining, but you can select any type mining in your site. Okay, so I want to mining which mining, Dogecoin. Now I select Dogecoin mining. So if you want to mining, you can choose this. Okay, I also mining in Dogecoin. So that's the previously I information to you. So if you get payment proof from this side, please type here. Also try to make this video with payment proof. So if you get any information, and please join my Telegram group and share your question. I hope this video is useful to you like this, and stay with me. Don't forget joining my Telegram group, okay, and don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel, okay. You can deposit this. I also deposit this site. Now I also deposit in this account, okay. So take care of yourself every time. Remember to Allah, pray for me every time. Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.